Imagine stepping into the year 2125. I am Abhinav Mishra, and today I sit across a holographic table from four legends: Tesla, Edison, Einstein, and Bhabha. Insane, right? But if anyone could help me decode artificial intelligence, it's these icons. Edison starts off, he tells me every age has revolutions. Steam, industry, IT. AI isn't just another, it's the revolution that reinvents invention itself. Einstein jumps in. AI, he says, is engineered intelligence. It's math asking, what does it mean to think? Mind blown. Bhabha traces the journey. Turing to generative AI, highs and lows. Each leap echoes a scientific revolution. Then we get technical. Einstein explains machine learning, neural networks, math layered like the brain. Bhabha dives into AI models, discriminative, generative, agentic. These aren't just tools. They're reactors of computation. The tech, computer vision, NLP, large language models, machines that see, talk, even dream. Companies like NVIDIA and OpenAI are the new accelerators of progress. Tesla leans in, his eyes spark. Autonomous agents, he calls them. Automatons reborn. They act, decide, shape the world. And just like electricity powered every domain, AI now does the same. Medicine, art, even chess. But power demands responsibility. Like electricity, Tesla warns, AI can enlighten or destroy. Ethics, bias, jobs, these are our new frontiers. So what's the lesson? Never stop questioning. AI is our ally if we guide it right. See you in the future.